Hey y'all, I'm Jania and I'm here to show you a video on the couple steps that I take to do my eyebrows. You can trade the products out for a lower end or higher end, and the steps are really simple and easy. Thanks for clicking. Hope you like it. So first I'm going to start off by just brushing out my eyebrows, make sure they're flat as possible, and then I'm going to go in and start underlining my brow with the pencil. Then I'm just going to start going over the top of my eyebrow. I actually highlight my eyebrow shape because I just want like an arch look in it. Eyebrows are thin because I didn't mess them up so much, so I gotta darken it and fill them in as much as I can to get it as dark as it can be. Well, not too dark, not crazy dark, but you know. And now I'm just going to highlight under my brow just to sharpen it and clean it up with some concealer. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm going to color down below. I have already down, I'm just gonna pull it down some more so it can start to blend in and not be such a harsh line. And I'm gonna be using my foundation color up top because the lighter color always seems to show when you put it up top, so I use my foundation color so it won't be no, mess ups or no highlighted brow on top and got me looking stupid or nothing.